Kindergarten, Quarter 1, Week 2 to 6, Family is Love. Homeroom Guidance. Homeroom Guidance, Kindergarten, Quarter 1, Module 2, Family is Love. Gabay sa magulang tagapangalaga. Isinulat ang modyul na ito upang gabayan inyong anak o alaga na linangin ang kanyang aspetong pansarili at pakikipagkapwa akademiko at karera. Disenyo nito para sa distance learning o alternatibong pamamaraan ng pagkatuto na hindi nangangailangan ng pisikal na presensya sa paaralan bilang tugon sa direkta na pagkansela ng face-to-face class dulot ng pandemyang COVID-19. Introductory message. For the learner in this module, you will learn the differences and similarities among family members and classmates. You will get to appreciate the value of having a good relationship with them. As an important part of your family, you will be able to practice different ways of relating with the other people, even in this time of pandemic. These modules consist of 6 interactive activities for you to follow, namely, let's try this, let's explore this, let's guide this. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, you're expected to describe your roles of the other members of the family, identify your family members' differences and similarities in terms of appearance, abilities, likes and dislikes, express ways of loving your family members, and show good deeds to others. In your last module, you'll learn about how you are going to improve your skills, interests, and talents. Now, let's get to know the different members of your family. You will also try to see what they are doing at home. Okay, so these processing questions. Do you want to help in the house chores? What house chores can you help with? Who can teach you to do the household chores? Okay, so let's explore this. Ready a clay, mold it to make forms and figures of your family members. Wash your hands properly before and doing this activity. Note, if there is no clay, draw on a sheet of paper of the family members. Can you teach your family member using a clay? Okay, suggested time allotment. For keep in mind, family is the most important part of the community. There are different kinds of families. There are big and small families. The family is usually composed of father, mother, and child or children. There are also those that include grandfather or lola, grandmother or lola, and other relatives. These are the families that only have one parent and a child or children. There are types too. Just remember that a family is composed of people who love one another. A family cares for one another. Family is always there for you. You listen to your parent or guardian that reads a story. The Helpful Daughters. A family lives in a barrio. The father is very industrious man. The mother stays at home to work and care for the family. The couple is blessed with 2 daughters. Nika is the older sister. She helps her mother in cleaning household chores. She also sweeps the floor every day. She wipes the table after a meal. She waters the plants around the house. Sarah is the younger sister. She is curious why everybody is doing something. She wonders why her father is working outside but her mother works at home. She also wonders why her older sister helps in the house. One day, their father got sick. Their mother needed to work to earn money for food and medicine. Nika was asked to take care of their sick father. She was also tasked to do the house chores. Sarah saw it all. She asked her sister if she could help. Nika and Sarah took turns in helping their father recover. They also helped their mother in doing household chores. Sarah was told to sweep the floor. She was told to water the plants. When their mother arrived in the afternoon, she saw the two helping each other. She felt proud of them. After a few days, the father became well. He already felt good. He thanked his 2 daughters. He thanked Nika for being the good older sister. He thanked Sarah for helping what she could. Over dinner, the family shared stories. Who are the characters in the story? Among the characters, whom do you like? Okay, on a sheet of paper, draw a happy face and sad face in each number. Color the happy face if you do what is being shown in the picture and color the sad face if you don't. On a sheet of paper, draw a box. Then draw a flower inside the box. Write the name of the family member who you love. Give the drawing to him or her.